Hit it. Keep on bumping.
Starter must be full of mud.
Yeah, you're the first one in the mud hole, and you're the first one that can't start.
That was an awesome lunch break. We hope everyone out there is enjoying the behind the scenes of Microsource Zippy of running the Wagens Thru Goethe.
Let Robbie up front.
What? We want to take video of you. Get in front of us. When you come to the road, when we take a right, you stop and then I'll get in front. Yeah! No, we just want to film. We're just having fun.
Riding down the harbor. Run it! I had to get him in front of her.
I gave it my all. He left. He's so sweet. I did my best. Oh, look, it was busted his circles around them. We can turn around and he can play it now.
Look at him in this drop.
No, turn it back on. Make it so we can push start easily.
We got 5 or 6 people. We got a group.
Let's see if it'll do.
Now watch it not start the next time.
Brand new starter.
This is why you don't drive automatic.
We're in go. This car seems to be doing good. It keeps it dry.
The window's small, it's not an oval. I want to say 59.
It could be 64 and down. Now there's a rear window 58 and 59 that was a little bigger, but the body's still 64 and down. Small windows. 65 is the first year of the big window car. So I believe 58 and 59 are the only two backside windows different.
I want an oval, so I'm not going to stop at 58.
Yeah, you might as well get a 57 or down.
I got a 64, that's good enough. I want to go to a 57.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm 57 myself. I don't need to wait any longer.
When are you going to make your move?
Get it while I can.
This is usually a big water patch.
Yeah, we saw 4 puddles today.
Yeah, I saw one big one. Yeah! Here we go! With the water!
dancing under streetlights felt so right. You blew my mind, yeah, you stole my soul. Nowhere to hide, nowhere to go.
Now we're the guys way back. Hey, where'd you guys go? We're going the other direction. Oops, excuse my language. Park to sea. Come on, let's roll. Take us to Lebanon Station, Jeffro Bodine.
Hey, just being.
Look, Robbie's pissing. I got it on video.
Hey, Robbie, look at the camera.
I didn't know you were being.
We'll blur it out, but it won't.
We'll make it look real big.
That's your friend.
Nobody can see anything anyways.
Hey, Bill, you just want to watch Robbie pee.
Once Robbie pulled it out, he starts backing up.
That's why you backing up.
He felt intimidated. Yeah, he.
Oh, it's you smelling it, huh? So we got one more cool little stop on the way out. Oh, let's put the windshield up. Look at Robbie.
Michael says, I'm not going through there. I don't want to explain it to Libya when I get home.
Oh, she would not be happy about this thing up. The one time I don't drive, you total it.
What did we hit last time? We tore something off the car. We hit a ditch last thing.
She broke the rim.
Yeah.
The rim bent into the brake drum and it wouldn't spin the wheel anymore. Turning right, turning right, turning right. It's not a trail, it's just a stop. We've always wanted to show up here, so now we're showing up like crazy people. We've never been here, always wanted to stop. We pass it all the time. Roadside attraction. Come on! We're looking for Mr. Goethe. Is this the right place? They're like, whoa, we're getting taken over all of a sudden.
Well, we're making a stop. It's 1 o'clock. We're at some little roadside attraction. Gonna see what they got.
Never know where you're going to end up at the end of the road with your VW family. And I love it. We were looking for a cold one, and here it is, right out in the middle of nowhere.
I hope it's not roped off. Oh, caution. Enter at your own risk. Michael, you lead the way.
No shoes on.
Yeah, no shoes on. Yeah, look at the rebar.
Dude, this place is sick.
Oh, look at this. Memorial. Also, a huge thank you, William Dwyer. No-do Bill. Look at this cool table.
Walk the plank.
What is it up there?
It's something.
You gotta come up here.
Table comes with a torch.
That is probably as old as I am.
There, Tommy, wash the dirt off. Look at there, man.
What's up, man?
Secret stairway.
There's one here and the one on the other side. Pretty cool up here. I like the rebar.
This is cool. What was this?
I don't know. It's a memorial, I guess.
This guy's quote is $20 is $20, man.
Really? Where?
Scott Bassford.
Scott Bassford.
Candy Girl said, drink up, bitches.
Like a waterfall right here. Water used to drop down and fill this up. That place was pretty cool. Yeah, I like that place. Where are we headed to now? Campground? Campground! Woo! Right back into the car.
in my carburetor.
Good thing. I tell you what, it feels good to know that you built the engine from the ground up and you abuse it. And it works. I built this shit. I'm surprised it didn't break.
Caroline, it's good work to it.
Yeah, it definitely is Caroline proof. QCI was done quite well, I must say.
Everything she did was great. I did have to add shocks. I had to finish it, but she made it a driver.
Pontiac.
Pontiac.
Banner looks
74.
really good. Wonder who put that together.
Oh, yeah. Let's see what that banner looks like. How do we get in? How do we get in?
Go!
Look, I can lick it.
No, not hot at all. His oil cap said bye-bye.
That's why it's blowing oil everywhere.
Oh, yeah. That's lovely. That's a screamer, that's for sure. Well, it's almost 3 o'clock. We're back at the campgrounds. We had an awesome time off-roading. What a blast. Robbie Johnson and Michael Shores definitely gave it hell out of anyone else there. Bentley did turn back because it got kind of rough at some point, maybe for the Super Beetle, but it was just such a good time. Now they are buying raffle tickets to win mini bike that's over there, which you saw earlier in the day. We got the campfire started. Now we're gonna make some late lunch, you know, early dinner. Let's go see what raffle tickets they sell.
3 extra tickets for 100 if you do 100, right?
Do
So
700.
13. You got to be present to win tomorrow.
Three's not my color.
$10, or if you spend 100, we'll give you 3 extra. $10 a ticket, or if you buy $100, we'll give you 3 extra tickets. This mini bike was built by Car Rod. Let's hear it for Car Rod. It's a nice mini bike.
Sorry. Tomorrow, yeah.
We got a bear over here.
What about Super Straight?
It gets the spot.
Right.
Yes, sir. 5, 3, 4, 5. Outright buy it.
One.
Yes, sir.
Only takes one to win, right?
It only takes one.
No, it takes 5.
Yes. You must be present and take your shit home.
So we're gonna stop with the raffle and head up front and cruise around on some mini bikes and goof off.
Boom!
Thank God for Robbie Johnson.
Let's
watch this.
Oh, they won't let you out there. No.
Hey, Mike, why are we camping here?
Those things were actually for vegetation.
They have like a memorial here for, I guess, all the people that have visited over the years that have passed away. And they look to be motorcycle riders. See, they all got jackets on and leathers. Rest in peace, all these very nice people. Very cool place. It's all like rebar railing and stuff. Very cool.